Introducing Pettit Protect Fast Dry High Build Epoxy Primer, the revolutionary solution for boatyards and boat manufacturing facilities. Designed with cutting-edge fast dry technology for maximum resistance to both fresh and saltwater environments. Pettit Protect Fast Dry's innovative fast dry technology significantly reduces water absorption, making it the perfect choice for osmotic blister prevention and repair, ensuring vessels stay protected for longer. Our advanced high solids formula not only guarantees quicker and easier application, but it also dries faster than traditional coatings. This means fewer coats are needed, and projects can be completed in record time, maximizing efficiency. In addition to hull protection, Pettit Protect Fast Dry offers reliable corrosion protection on all underwater metals, providing comprehensive coverage for every part of your vessel. Whether you're maintaining a fleet or building new vessels, Pettit Protect Fast Dry's innovative Fast Dry technology delivers unmatched durability and efficiency, giving you peace of mind and more time on the water. Pettit Protect Fast Dry, revolutionary fast dry technology for maximum protection and efficiency.